Is new construction in Harvest, Alabama calling your name? I'm Nick Holman with the Holman Group eXp Realty. Our newest listing, 112 Yarbrough Road here in Harvest, really close to Sparkman High School. Super nice open floor plan, really nice kitchen. In the back, it's fully fenced in and there's a ton of extra concrete for you and your family to enjoy. Come inside and check it out. Sitting in my hand here is the key to this beautiful home. I'm in the super private backyard, beautiful trees, nice new privacy fence, no backdoor neighbors. If you want to make this your home, click the link below and come check it out. I was about to say if you like what you see again, because that was in my head.